Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can play CS2 on Roblox. So let's get started. If you want to experience a Counter-Strike style game on Roblox, it's actually very simple. First, open Roblox and log into your account. Once you're signed in, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type CS2. You'll see several different games appear in the search results. One of the most popular options is Counterblox, which is designed to give players a Counter-Strike-like experience with competitive matches, familiar maps, and team-based gameplay. Click on the game and press the play button. If you haven't installed Roblox on your device yet, Roblox will ask you to download and install the Roblox player. Follow the installation steps, then reopen Roblox and sign back into your account if needed. After launching the game, you'll be able to enter different game modes. Select a competitive or unranked match, choose your team, and wait for the game to load. Many servers feature popular maps inspired by classic Counter-Strike gameplay, allowing you to practice your aim, work with teammates, and compete against other players. That's all there is to it. Search for a CS2 style game such as Counterblox, join a match, pick a team, and start playing. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.